6E, find the top 5% for the ACT. Top 5%, so top 5%, tallest 5%, longest 5%, that's going to be here on the right side. So 5% as a decimal is 0.05. Remember our Z table, the areas all have 4 beyond the decimal, so let me call this 0.0500 to make it easier to go hunting for. So when I try and find that number in the table, something weird happens. You're always supposed to go with what's closest. And as we discussed in class, every once in a while there's a tie. So I see 0505 and 0495. So I see 0.0505 and I see 0.0495. They're both the same distance from what I'm looking for, the 0.0500. So when you get a tie, you just have to ask yourself, okay, this one corresponds to what? Oh, that's negative 1.64. Okay, because it's in column 04. And this one corresponds to what? It's in column 05, so this is negative 1.65. Okay, so in order to figure out the Z that corresponds to the top 5%, it's just the average of this and that. So to take an average of two things, I'm just going to add those two numbers together and divide by 2. Throw it into your calculator, negative 1.64 plus a negative 1.65, add them up, divide by 2, and I get a negative 1.645. And that is my Z value. Okay, oh, wait a second. That corresponds to the bottom 5%. So that's the bottom, because it's a left tail table, bottom 5%. So up here, it's just going to be a positive 1.645. Ponder that for a second. So positive 1.645, because we're talking about top 5%, not the bottom 5%. Make sure that makes sense, is equal to x minus mu over sigma. Remember, mu and sigma always given, minus 21 over 7. So the x is what we're looking for. Again, a little bit of algebra. I personally would multiply both sides by a 7. Okay, multiply by 7. Those cancel. So that's going to give me 7 times 1.645. Throw that into my calculator. 7 times 1.645. Enter 11.515. Our 11.515 is equal to that x minus 21. So go ahead and add 21 to both sides. And that should give us, oh gosh, if I move the 21 over a little bit, add 21, it looks prettier. So now I can see that it's 32.515 is equal to just x. Got a little sloppy there at the end. Hopefully you're cool with that. I keep reshooting these videos and it's driving me crazy. Okay, here's our answer. 32.515. Let's see if that's correct. Look at the answer sheet. It is. Sweet. Okay, on to the next video.